The costume honors Binangonan Chewing Bangus or milkfish industry by drawing inspiration from the fish grateful movement in Laguna today. It features the shimmering silver and pearl accents, glowing pan-like fabrics, and hand-wrapped fish, a scale pattern, and net textures, all reflecting the world of the local fisher folk. A dramatic headdress and backpiece incorporates specialized waves, fish, cage, or backline, and native flora, symbolizing the town's resilience, unity, and culture pride. Lakad number 4.